Welcome back. It's video 1, I think.
Video 1?
We're feeling very under the weather.
We are.
We're struggling.
I don't think we've quite got a cold, but you've got that little bit enough that it's just going to make your day
That heaviness.
difficult.
Yeah. So hopefully you will have seen the short. We've literally just recorded it, but that will have come out sooner. But we got some life in the Royal Enfield. We got some electricals happening with it's your Honda battery actually.
My Honda battery. It's because my Honda's bare.
Yeah.
It's going to triumph.
But we got lights and things, haven't we?
We have. You've got
about.
a light at the back here, and there's little lights here. And then there's these lights, which I actually think are quite cute, though, at the front here.
Yeah, Tom's getting rid of them. And then we have the flashy light at the front.
Flashy light at the front. We're not sure whether this works or not as a headlight, because you said the bike sometimes has to be running.
I think the engine has to be running for that to be on.
For that to work.
It's got a horn.
It's got a horn. But it does have a little bit of some temperamental issues.
It's got an indicator issue.
Indicators, yeah.
Just need a screwdriver.
To make it flash.
Well,
that entertained us.
that's the thing. Something's definitely been going on with this in the past.
But yeah, so join us in this video as we tear it down and we take all the bits off that we know Tom wants to keep. We're going to box them up.
Yep.
And just start stripping it back.
Might see if I can get it running first. Might do that next.
How much time do you think we have?
Oh, all the time in the world. Yeah.
Oh, it's going to be a late night. Right, here we go.
It's got oil in it.
To make it sound like that's all a bike needs.
I mean, that's... Have a sniff.
I don't know if I want to.
Have a sniff. It smells petrol-y.
Oh, it does. Oh, I can hear it.
It's a dribble.
It's swooshing. So what are you going to do to try and see? When did it last start, actually?
Well, Tom said he had it running, and he said it's been at his about a year. I think it's been at his longer than a year, and he's lost all perspective. But I'm not going to start it, you are.
What do you mean I am?
You're doing it.
Why me? Oh, I've got slippers on. Oh no, I think you look like you're in the right place for that. I'm going to stand over here with my tea and watch you. How much it shakes! Make it so I don't gas us out.
Well, that is remarkable. I mean, it's a thing.
You're coming over out of the smoke, I think. Oh, that stinks. I think we should have opened the doors before. Yeah, let's, for our own health benefits, stand further away.
We'll come back in a minute. Be sure it fits.
It does, it's on.
As it goes over, does it rattle? Yes, it rattles. That's not the right size.
It's on.
It's not the right size. What size is that?
16. This end's fit. This
No,
side
it
fits.
doesn't fit.
Oh, for God's sake, you're getting on my nerves now. If it fits, why can't you just use the one that fits? See, this one doesn't fit.
Yes.
You want like 15 and a half.
There we go. Are you sure it's not 15?
I'm sure.
It's 15, isn't it?
No. Christ alive. This bolt's not coming off. The entire bike move then. Hang on, what way am I going? Lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty lefty look. Nope. He's staying there, he is. These are the reasons you go to the gym. So bike maintenance is easier. Hang on. I'll hold the foot down.
Been in there a while, he is. Go for the paint work.
Oh, it's great. Oh, it is, it's moving.
There you go. Yeah? That's it.
Why does the one notch a little bit extra?
Just where you find your lever.
Okay.
Look, yeah,
No, I need it. Oh, there it is, it's coming.
there you go.
Yeah.
There we are.
It was a trip just to get a mud guard out.
That was fun.
If you undo this, because it's at the top and in the middle, then all of the
it's undone.
bike
That's it. That's
just
it. That's
comes apart.
It doesn't come out. It doesn't come out.
Oh.
There's two more. We have to undo them, not do them up.
Alright, so sometimes my left and right gets a bit mixed up. Oh, I see. We're going to uncover all the wires, aren't we? And then we have to poke them all through.
He should just be a bullet. Pull. So that is the ignition switch, I think. So we want a big span of him.
You are patient with wires. Wires is a pet peeve for me. I just...
Big. Everyone's best friend.
Your hand's in the way. That's better.
There he is. I hate these things.
What are they? Just rubber fasteners?
Well, they're like plasticky, but they look naff, and they're just...
So it's the Royal Enfield version of a cable tie.
Yeah. Right, where's that posi drive screwdriver you had? And we'll go back in the switch gear when we're done. Just work out. So he screws into the bottom. You're supposed to be doing this.
No, I can't play with wires. I'd have done this in a completely different way to you, and the way I would do it would have really stressed you out.
How's that?
I'd have just unclipped everything.
Oh no.
Pull it all out so I can have a good look at it where it's not all in a confined, get on your nerves space.
So that's just a throttle cable, so that's fine. Yep, so throttle next. You can do that one.
Oh, why me?
2 screws.
On this side was significantly more undone. Not enough.
Right.
There we go.
So,
am I all attached to like the whole thing?
yeah, you need to unhook that.
Ah.
Unhook him from in there. Like that.
I'm not quite sure how that happened, but this came back on here?
No.
No.
And that's going to do it for this video. We've done a little bit more since that footage this week, so obviously the handlebars are off. We've got the speedo out and a few other bits. But I'm prepping because we've got a special visitor coming on Sunday in lieu of a Europe trip that they're planning, which is why these exhausts are now sat on the bench. I've got a little bit of work to do on these. And then, yeah, so that'll be probably in next week's video, I would imagine. But also, tomorrow, as I'm recording this, it's Thursday today, my good friend Martin from What's in the Workshop, I'll put a link to his channel below. He does a lot of car-based stuff more than anything. Some bikes, but predominantly car-based stuff. He's coming to pick up the MGB that we've got. And on Saturday, we're going to film trying to get an engine in that and drive it back to Birmingham all in one day. So yeah, trying to get everything in place for that to happen and prep for Sunday. Carry on with the Royal Enfield. Been overwelding Luke's bike. There's just so much going on. And I'm just trying to keep up with myself. But yeah, thank you for joining us in this video. Emily's just sorting some stuff out if you're wondering where she's just disappeared to. But yeah, thank you for joining us, and we will definitely see you in the next one.